Should you leave it out in the rain?
It's not advisable, but if you do, it's always best to make sure it's nice and dry before it goes back, because you don't want it smelly and musty and mouldy when you bring it out for the next time.
And can you leave it out when you walk away from the van and go out for the day?
If you've got storm straps, which is an optional extra we sell here at TMD Motorhomes, yes, but if it's not pegged down like we are here now on a concrete floor, always advisable to wind your awning in when you leave it. You've seen it only takes 30 seconds, there's no excuses for that.
So when we're putting it away, just pop these back down again?
Yeah, so putting it away, if we just push this down and we let the outer cover slide down. Now, before we put it away completely, I'll leave the legs down and I'll wind it back into a manageable height. That way, I'm keeping the weight on the awning. So I'm going to wind it in. I'm going to spin the legs round, and this time I'm going to make sure the feet go in the bracket first.
And do we push this from the back
and then
again, slide it in?
Push it forwards and then until we hear that click.
What's this little rail here for, Dave?
That's so you can connect a driveway awning if you so desire.
What's this little rail for here, Dave?
This rail allows you to connect a driveway awning if you so desire. You will need a joining clip, which we also sell at our shop.